Welcome back, everyone. Now that you have your camera attached to your Chromebook, I want to show you some of the tools that you can use to get it set up to display your document the way you want it to. And then it'll project to your computer and then ultimately onto a screen. But the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get an extension from your Chrome Web Store. And that extension is called Sphere Lite. I'm going to click on that right now. And I would say go to your Chrome Web Store and search for Sphere Lite. It'll pop up. This is actually where you will get the extension, and then here it will say add to Chrome, and you'll click that and add it to Chrome, and it will be in your extensions. Once you get that added and your document camera set up, you'll need to go to your extensions and click on that one to open it. But I have pulled mine up here to the toolbar, so I'm just going to open it from right here. Now as soon as I open that, you're going to see from my camera, it starts to open on the screen. The camera itself will start flashing the light because it has autofocus, and now it's projecting what's on the desk below it. Now real quick, I want to scan over here to the actual device itself, the document camera, because it's got a nice big long gooseneck on it where you can flex that anywhere you want. You can turn it to accommodate your space, and you can move the paper around underneath it. So you've got all kinds of flexibility with space. I'm going to take a second and adjust this to view, and then I'll be right back and show you some of the controls. Now for this video, the only controls I want to show you are the ones that have to do with the projection itself. And in the next video, I'll show you the annotations, and then I'll show you how you can get some screenshots and some recording. But first, down here along the bottom are the controls we're going to talk about today. This will show your input, which is our document camera. Here you can control the resolution, which can make the picture change. You can see it change the canvas on which it's projected on. You can change that to anywhere you want. I just kind of leave it on the large one. Next icon is the capture button, where you could take a picture of what's on the screen. And this we'll cover in a later video, but this is how you can record a video of yourself using this document camera. And then over here we have a zoom, where you can zoom in on a section that you want. This one's particularly cool. It's called a freeze button. It essentially freezes this picture in place, and you can annotate on it and do whatever you want while you move the content from the page from the desk. And so when I click it again, you see it's gone. So I'm going to move that back. And then finally on this page, we have your settings icon. And this allows you to, I'm trying to adjust here, this allows you to rotate left, which you wouldn't want to do that because you see how it changes the orientation. Whoops, now I got to go all the way around. You can rotate right. You can get a horizontal mirror, which makes everything backwards, but it flips it horizontally. Same thing here with a vertical mirror. Flips it upside down, but everything's backwards on the screen. You have a brightness setting. You can make it brighter or dimmer. And then finally, a contrast, where you can adjust the contrast. So those are the controls that let you control what's going on the screen and how it looks. In the next video, I'll show you some of the annotation tools that you have available on this document camera.